Welcome to Sightseeing Tube channel. Are you looking for a unique entertainment destination in Istanbul that combines shopping and fun in one place? Look no further than Viaport Marina, a shopping and entertainment paradise in the heart of Istanbul. In this video, we'll take you on an exciting tour through this amazing place, explore its top attractions together, and provide you with useful information on how to get there, entrance fees, opening hours, and the best time to visit. Let's get started. Viaport Marina is located in Tuzla, on the Asian coast of Istanbul. It's a massive entertainment complex that includes a yacht marina, an open-air shopping mall, a water park, and a marine zoo. Opened in 2015, it quickly became one of the most popular tourist destinations in Istanbul. This mall is considered one of the most important and beautiful shopping malls in Istanbul, as it combines shopping, entertainment, restaurants, cafes, and diverse recreational activities. Viaport Marina features a modern marina that accommodates over 750 yachts. You can enjoy a boat tour or even rent a yacht for a day at sea. The panoramic view of the harbor, with its clear blue waters and mountainous backdrop, makes it an ideal place to relax and take beautiful photos. Open-air shopping mall. Viaport Marina includes an open-air shopping mall with over 150 stores. Here you'll find a variety of international and Turkish brands, as well as many restaurants and cafes. Shopping at this mall is a pleasant experience thanks to its unique design and refreshing seaside atmosphere. Water Park. For those who love fun and water games, Viaport Marina boasts one of the largest water parks in Istanbul. The park features many thrilling water slides, different pools, and a dedicated children's area. Families can spend a full day of fun and refreshment in this amazing place. Marine Zoo. Discover the marine world at Viaport Marina's Marine Zoo. You can watch dolphin and sea lion shows and explore giant aquariums housing a variety of marine creatures. It's an educational and entertaining experience for both children and adults. Musical Fountain. The musical fountain is one of Viaport Marina's most captivating attractions, offering mesmerizing dancing water shows in the evenings. Restaurants and cafes. After a day full of activities, you can enjoy a delicious meal at one of the diverse restaurants or cafes at Viaport Marina. From traditional Turkish dishes to international cuisine, there's something to suit every taste. Try fresh seafood while enjoying a stunning view of the harbor. Getting to Viaport Marina. Viaport Marina is easily accessible from different parts of Istanbul, using public transportation or private vehicles. By public transportation, Viaport Marina can be reached by bus, metro, or ferry. By private vehicle, ample parking is available at Viaport Marina. The distance from central Istanbul to Viaport Marina takes about 1 hour by car. Entrance fees and opening hours. Entrance to Viaport Marina is free. However, fees may apply for certain activities and events, such as rides and the puppet theater. Opening hours. Viaport Marina is open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Best time to visit. Viaport Marina is open year-round, but the best time to visit is during the spring and summer, when the weather is warm and suitable for outdoor activities and water games. Make sure to set aside a full day to enjoy all the available facilities and activities. Tips for visiting Viaport Marina. Wear comfortable clothes. You'll be doing a lot of walking. Carry some cash. You'll need cash for food, drinks, and souvenirs. Don't forget your camera. You'll want to capture stunning photos of the musical fountain, the park, and other Viaport Marina attractions. Enjoy the scenic views. Admire the breathtaking views of the Sea of Marmara from the park, a restaurant, or a cafe. Try different activities. Engage in some of the diverse recreational activities offered at Viaport Marina. That was our tour of Viaport Marina, the best entertainment spot in Istanbul. We hope you enjoyed and got to know this wonderful place. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to get all our latest videos. Share your experiences at Viaport Marina with us in the comments, or if you have any questions. See you in the next video.